Alright guys, today I'm making a strawberry tiramisu, a fresh summery twist on the classic. No bacon and no fuss, just layers of juicy strawberries and creamy mascarpone. Let's get started. So for this we'll need some caster sugar, some sponge fingers, double cream, some mascarpone, a lemon, some strawberries and, for the adults, some strawberry liqueur. Ignore the vanilla, it's there from the last video. Okay then, we're going to need 400 grams of strawberries for this, 250 we're going to blend, and 150 grams of strawberries we're going to slice finely. Extract the juice of one lemon by whatever method you prefer. I love this juicer, I've told you before, and I'll put a link in the description down below. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for this recipe, and of course you can use the bottled stuff if you want to. Put 250 grams of strawberries and 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice into a blender or a food processor and blitz away to make a lovely juice. And while we watch the Ninja blender do its job, did you know that tiramisu literally means pick me up in Italian? Pour the strawberry juice into a dish that's big enough to accept the lady fingers. Into a medium-sized bowl put the 250 grams of mascarpone, 200 ml of double cream and 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Now whisk these together until they're nice and creamy. Notice the hand over the top to stop it going everywhere. It always does with this handheld mixer of mine. Do they all do this or is it just mine? That's all the prep work done, so it's time to start building the tiramisu now. I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin for this. Put a layer of the cream on the bottom. A layer of the sliced strawberries on top of the cream. Pop some of the lady fingers into your strawberry juice. Now don't leave them too long, or you can if you like them soggy. I like my biscuits to be a little bit crisp still, so just a light coating for me, and then place them on top of the strawberries. And then repeat with cream, strawberry slices, soaked lady fingers, until you've used it all up, but finishing off with a layer of cream on top. Pour any remaining strawberry juice on top of the cream, smooth it out a little bit and then into the fridge for at least 3 hours, preferably overnight, or you can put it in a freezer if you're in a rush. If you do put it in a freezer, to get it out of the tin, just put the tin into some warm water for a few seconds. I used a freezer, put it in warm water, but I left it a little bit too long. As you'll see, it went a bit runny. You can of course serve this from the tin, but I wanted to tip it out. And because I've tipped it out, I'm decorating the top with the rest of the sliced strawberries. Alright guys, well, not the prettiest, but first effort, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put a little bit of this liqueur de tequila rose strawberry cream. A little bit on top. I can open it. I might just do it on the piece I cut because it's very liquidy. So let's take a slice and see what it's like. And I'll put this back in the fridge straight away because it looks like it's getting a bit warm. Oh, it's certainly a gooey one. Right. Can't put this off any longer. A little bit of this then. And here we go. That is very, very summery. Well, that is, yes it is. It's a double diggy thumbs up. Looks like I've got strawberry tiramisu for a few days. That is good. Maybe use a smaller tin next time as well and get it a bit thicker. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. That is lovely. Hope you give this one a go. It's certainly a different twist on a classic dish.